Hi everyone, so today's video is a morning skincare routine. We're going to start off by cleansing my face. I'm using the Aveeno Foaming Cleanser. This is the Calm Restore range. Absolutely love this moisturizer. Cleanses my face without stripping the moisture from my face. After washing my face, I like to dry my face using a paper towel. I don't like using normal towels. I prefer paper towels. They're just easier to use for me. Next, I put on some serum, and this is the serum that I love to use. It's the Body Shop Vitamin E serum. So I just pat that all across my face. After the serum has soaked in, I go in with my Nivea Caring Day Moisturizer, and this has SPF 30 already in the moisturizer. After my moisturizer, I like to go in with this Clarins Aroma Face Oil. Love this. It keeps my face hydrated and locks in all the moisture. And I finish off with this Vitamin C Glow Protect Lotion with SPF 30. I usually like to go with an eye cream, but today I'm going to be using some eye masks to add that added moisture for my under eyes. And then I finish off moisturizing my lips with my usual lip balms. Then I like to do my hair, so I'm gonna take down my silk scarf, and then I'm gonna take down this hairnet which holds my hair together. My hair was in hitless curls throughout the night, so really excited to see how those turned out. I then go in with this extraordinary oil from L'Oreal Elvive, and I just spread it through my hair and finger comb my hair and put it into a style that I desire. This is my favorite part, where I remove my eye masks and then I just spread the product all over my eyes and the top of my lids. It's such a cooling sensation all over my eyes. And that is it, guys. This is the final look. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. All products mentioned are in the description box below.